Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Miata pop-up headlights. First, always begin by checking the basics. Ensure the headlight motor's fuse is intact and receiving power. Next, examine the headlight relay, as a faulty one can prevent operation. Finally, try manually raising and lowering the headlights to feel for any mechanical binding or resistance. This initial check helps pinpoint whether the problem is electrical or mechanical. Once you've completed the initial checks, focus on the headlight motors themselves. Listen carefully for any sounds when you try to activate the headlights. A lack of sound often indicates no power. Use a multimeter to test for proper power and ground connections directly at the motor. Also, visually inspect the motor and its wiring for any signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections that could be interrupting the circuit. Sometimes the issue isn't electrical but mechanical. Check the headlight linkage for any stiffness or misalignment and adjust it for smooth movement. Apply a good quality, water-resistant grease to all pivot points and moving parts to reduce friction. It's also crucial to ensure there are no physical obstructions, like debris or bent components, preventing the headlights from fully popping up or down. Smooth mechanics are key. After addressing potential electrical and mechanical issues, perform a thorough final check. Reconfirm that all electrical connections are tight and properly seated. Test the headlight operation multiple times to ensure consistent and reliable movement. Regular maintenance, like occasional lubrication, can prevent future problems. For more great content and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.